Do or make? What's the difference? I'm Miranda, your friendly teacher at the Cambridge Dictionary, and today we're talking about when to use the verb do and when to use the verb make. If you have difficulties using do and make, you're not alone. In some languages, they are the same word. So what's the difference in English? Firstly, let's talk about do. We use do when we want to focus on the process of acting or performing something. We use do when we're talking about actions in general. Do you want to do anything today? I just want to do nothing. But we have to do something. We also use do to describe most tasks like work and housework. What did you do today? It was my turn to do the household chores, so that means I did the laundry, I did the washing up, I did the ironing, and studying. Oh no, we have to do a 3-hour test at the end of this course I'm doing. We also do exercise. How many more squats do I have to do? And we use do to talk about how well we did something. I think I'm going to do badly on my test. I'm sure you'll do well. I'll just do my best. Now let's talk about make. Make focuses more on the outcome or product of an action. We make food, for example. Hey, what are you making for breakfast?
I'm making coffee. I'm making a mess.
We can also make a profit, make a loss, make a phone call, make a sound, make a friend, make a guess. All of these focus on the creation of something. And although we use do for most household chores, there's one exception.
Hey, you need to make your bed.
Fine. Is that better? Now you know the difference. Let's do a quick quiz to see how many you can get right. Gardening, is it make or do? It's do because it's a task. Business, is it make or do? It's do because it's related to work. A list, is it make or do? It's make because it's something we create. A change, is it make or do? It's make. We focus on the outcome of the action, the change we created. Finally, an apology. Is it make or do? It's make. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And if there is a topic that you would like us to cover next, let us know. Follow the Cambridge Dictionary to learn more about English language.